Hi, welcome back to Automated World. Did you know that AI could help your neighborhood pizza shop make better pizzas, reduce waste, and even predict when you'll crave extra cheese without hiring an expensive data scientist? Hey everyone, welcome back to Automated World, your go-to channel for all things tech, AI, and automation. Today, we're talking about something big. How AI is escaping the labs of tech giants and landing right into the hands of everyday people like you and me. Grab your coffee, hit that like button, and let us dive into why the future of AI belongs to everyone, not just Google and Microsoft. 1. A lesson from history. To understand where we're headed, let's rewind a few centuries back. Once upon a time, reading and writing were superpowers reserved for religious elites and royal scribes. Ordinary people, illiterate. But then, something incredible happened. Schools opened up, books got cheaper, and literacy spread like wildfire. Knowledge was no longer locked away. Entire societies transformed, economies boomed, and innovation exploded. That's the power of democratizing a life-changing tool. Today, we're standing at a similar crossroads, but this time, the superpower is artificial intelligence. Right now, only a handful of big tech companies and specialized engineers build AI that powers everything from search engines to movie recommendation. But what if this AI literacy could spread to small businesses, local shops, and regular people? Well, it's already starting to happen. 2. How AI is centralized. Let's get real for a second. The AI we use daily, like Google search, YouTube suggestions, or Amazon product recommendations, is built by huge tech companies with billions of dollars and thousands of engineers. This centralized model works great for big, universal problems like helping you find the perfect meme or ordering a last-minute gadget. But millions of small businesses like your favorite pizza shop or a local clothing factory are left out. They don't have huge data teams and yet, they generate incredibly valuable data every day. That just goes to waste. Imagine if they could tap into AI as easily as you send a text. 3. Small businesses, the untapped goldmine. Let's talk pizza. Picture a family-owned pizza place. Every night, they deal with leftover dough, understocked ingredients, or wasted toppings because they can't perfectly predict demand. Now imagine if they had a simple AI tool that learned their sales patterns, rainy days, game nights, school holidays, and predicted exactly how much cheese or pepperoni they'll need. Boom. Less waste, more profit. Or, think about a small shirt factory. They could use AI to scan fabric for defects automatically instead of paying inspectors to check every inch by hand. More speed, better quality, fewer returns. These are real, practical use cases, but here is the catch. Traditional AI development is too expensive and too complex for these small players. 4. The long tail problem. This brings us to the long tail of AI. Think of it like this. At the top, you've got huge AI projects like Google search or Facebook ads serving billions. But beneath that is a massive long tail of tiny, niche use cases like predicting pizza dough demand or spotting fabric tears. Individually, they're small, but together, they add up to billions of dollars in untapped value. The problem: no big company wants to build a custom AI just for one pizza shop or one shirt factory. It's too niche, too expensive. That's why democratizing AI is the only way to unlock this hidden treasure trove. 5. How AI democratization works. So, how do we actually do it? The good news: it's already happening. New AI platforms are popping up that let known experts like store managers, accountants, or factory workers build AI tools with little to no coding. How? By shifting the hard part from coding to data and annotation. Here's an example. A quality inspector takes photos of fabric, marks where there are defects, and uploads them. The AI learns from these examples. Over time, it gets better at spotting flaws automatically. The inspector keeps correcting, making the AI smarter with each batch. This is called human-in-the-loop training. The AI and the human work together. No PhD required. This means the people who actually know the business can build the AI. They need fast and cheap. Platforms like these are the modern-day printing press for AI, putting the power into everyone. Hence, the bigger impact. So why does this matter for you and me? Because when small businesses thrive, communities thrive. Imagine thousands of local businesses using AI to run smarter, saving costs, reducing waste, growing profits. It's not just about money either. Widespread AI use could spread technological benefits more fairly. So it's not just the big tech companies getting richer while everyone else struggles to keep up. Just like literacy unlocked human potential centuries ago, democratized AI could unlock a new wave of local innovation, jobs, and economic growth, retail, agriculture, manufacturing. The more people have access to AI, the more creative solutions we'll see for real-world problems. Of course, challenges remain cost, skills, trust, but we're already seeing user-friendly tools, better education, and affordable platforms bridging the gap. So, here's my big takeaway for you. The future of AI isn't just about building bigger, scarier robots. It's about empowering everyday people to build small, smart systems that solve local problems in unique ways. And that's how AI will truly change the world, not by replacing us, but by working with us. So, what do you think? Would you trust an AI to run your pizza shop or check your t-shirts for defects? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to Automated Word, and hit the bell so you never miss our deep dives into the future of AI automation and tech trends that matter. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is automated, but it's also human. See you in the next one.